What's up, everyone? This is Mark Bryce, NuMBERNYC. Today I'm showing you guys my car. It's actually stored in here. I'm not taking it out. It's 19 degrees outside. It's snowing. It's freezing out there. So today's dad duty. I'm shoveling the house, the front yard mainly. I don't think I'm gonna do the backyard. I just want to show you guys something that I mentioned before I forget. I have the time to do it now. My last video I discussed about wrapping your car and how it looks years later. I roof wrapped my car back in 2014, I believe, 2013, 14, and it looked good. Black gloss is when I had it done. I got it done. It looked nice when I first got it done, but then about like a year or two later, I started getting car washes, not hand car washes, which was recommended at the time. I started getting a machine wash just because I didn't have the time to go to those hand wash parlors, and I noticed that my wrap started fading away. Let's see if you can see it better. See it right there? There you go. It's no longer gloss. No matter if you wash it or not, you're still gonna see those faded marks. That's what happens when you wrap your car and you decide to go to the alternative of just wrapping your car for $150, aside then from getting a paint job for $500 or $450 wherever you go. But I was quoted $500 to get the roof painted, and then I took the alternative. I was just paying $150 and getting a wrap. I guess being cheap, it costs more because now I have to peel that off and get it painted. But you know what? That's just part of the way you want to hook up your car, so to speak. If you want to change your car, you want to make it look different. You know, it's you live and you learn. Also, let's see if I can get a good angle. This right here, I'm gonna take these molding out. Well, not me personally, but I'm gonna go to a body shop, have them take all the moldings, fill in the holes, paint it. Also, this part right here, this whole unit, I'm gonna get it painted black, and then I'm finally gonna get the roof painted black, gloss black. I'm thinking about doing that in May, late May, early June, just so it can look fresh for the summer. Let me show you guys what's going on outside of my house. So as I mentioned, it's 19 degrees outside, freezing cold, it's snowing. I already started with the front of the house right here, but yeah, it seems like it's gonna continue snowing until 5 this afternoon, maybe 6 this evening. We're not sure, but it doesn't stop, and it's all good. It's a snow day. My kid's home. He's playing video games, but when I'm down here, I'm gonna take him out. I'm gonna look for a nice hill for some sledding. I do need to invest in a snowboard. But yeah, right now I'm just ranting. I just wanted to make a video because in my head I kept thinking about, oh, I should make that video about the roof wrap that I've done on the car and how shitty it looks after years later. But yeah, if you guys are gonna go to the cheap route and pay $100, $150 to get your roof wrapped, just think about it. It looks good for a year, maybe 2 years. After that, it starts looking shitty. So I don't recommend it. I mean, if you're just doing it for temporarily and then you're gonna sell the car, then go for it. But if you want to keep the car the way I want to keep this car, I want to keep this car for 2 years, maybe 3 years at most. I love this car. I've done so much shit to it that I don't want to let it go because I know I'll never get my money's back, my money's worth. So I know I'm just going to continue messing with it and just doing it the way I like it. But yeah, guys, so this is Mark Bryce, NuMBERNYC. I'm going to catch you guys later. Later, man.